guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be about my favorite products that I've been using and really loving. These are the products that are tested and tried over a period of time. The first thing is actually a habit or an activity that I added in my favorites list at the last minute, but this is a habit that I'm doing from a really long time. Like I don't know about you, but I really like reading quotes. I really like reading good lines, positive lines, some things that I would want to have a collection of. You know, I say Utana, when you watch a lot of quotes and you know, these kind of positive thoughts and stuff on Instagram, they appear and reappear on your feed, and I just take a screenshot of it and I write them down. I know it looks like I have a lot of time at hand, but trust me, it is very therapeutic for me. First, because पहले तो वो positive thought पढ़ के आपको positivity आई दिमाग में, and then you're writing it down. So in a way, it is going into your subconscious brain, and in a way, you will memorize it for a longer period of time, and in a way, you're actually manifesting that particular positive thought in your life. I feel like that, and I feel very relaxing when I'm just, you know, putting my pen to paper and actually copying that particular thought down. So I've been doing it from a really long time. Like I got this 2024 planner or diary sort of thing, but I've used this itna matlab complete. I have finished the entire diary almost. In just few pages are left. I have finished this entire book by writing my thoughts, and it is very therapeutic. I read them, I underline them, I go through them. You know, whenever you're down and you have those sad and low phases, you would want something to, you know, get back to and hold on to, and something that gives you encouragement and positivity and hope. This does, and a lot of words, and I just write them down. I take my own sweet time. Even though no matter what I'm going through throughout the day, after taking a bath and when everything is done, sort of, I take out like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I just write them down in a very relaxed manner. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It is so comforting to me. It is therapy for me, and reading those positive words give me a lot of hope as well. So this is the first thing that I've been loving, and I do it 2-3 times a day. Whenever I feel like I'm doing overthinking, I'll start writing positive thoughts. So now I have a collection of all the positive thoughts I can get back to. So I really like reading them. They give you a lot of hope. So if you're having a bad day, this is for you. Nobody knows how many times you have rebuilt yourself from scratch to have the life you have today. Be proud of yourself. Make it happen. Shock everyone. Shock yourself. The mission is personal. It takes a lot to start over again, but you owe it to yourself to become everything you've dreamt of. We are all a little broken, but the last time I checked, broken crayons still color the same. And the last one that I wrote today, just today, I mean, I think half an hour back before shooting this video, is this one. Choose you, because when you start choosing you, you start attracting everything that is also choosing you. And the more you fill your cup, the more you have to give to others too. I believe in that a lot. And also one quote that I really loved. Okay, this is the last one. Be the reason why people believe in beautiful souls, kind hearts, and good energy. Never stop being a good person. I think that says a lot, you know, and it just makes my day so beautiful. Just scribbling in good thoughts, positive thoughts, just makes my day. And in a way, I am kind of attracting positivity and happiness in my life. Love doing this. This is my favorite thing that I do for myself in the day. Okay, so that was that. Moving on to, you know, lag to nahi raha hoga, I'm sure, but I've been exercising a bit. Okay, I have really flabby hands, and I was very conscious. I still am very conscious of my, you know, flabby hands, but you know, I don't care anymore. Like मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा, अरे how can you wear sleeveless? You have such bad hands and stuff. ठीक है, it's okay, it doesn't matter. I like wearing sleeveless. I'm gonna wear sleeveless no matter what people say. But I thought कि, you know, working out, and I thought कि, you know, giving yourself that time and exercising a little bit is not going to harm anybody and myself. So I thought I will invest in some good dumbbells. So I got myself this one. The reason that I'm telling you is this, why this is my favorite, because I also got one from this brand, I think Lifetime or Lifelong, I don't remember. It came all broken. वो सस्ता था, 300-400 rupees का था, I think, for 2 dumbbells. And this was for around 1000 rupees. This by this brand Solemo. This I think is a home brand of Amazon. I'm not really sure, but this is a 2.5 kg dumbbell each, and this is so good, guys. I love this. I love working out using these dumbbells. I work out from home, so I do not have a lot of equipment, but I think if you want to work out like a moderate workout, you can do it from home. So I, you know, try and work out at home, and it's doing me really well. I'm feeling better. Not that I'm losing weight, but I'm feeling very good. Like I'm feeling good, and more happy, more energetic, and more positive. And this has a lot to do with that. It is 2.5 kg, and I do a lot of exercises with this dumbbell. So this is definitely my favorite, and I've been doing this exercise on and off like 1 mahine se, I guess 1 month se. This is actually very good. So if you want to start working out at home, these are dumbbells you can invest in. Saste dumbbells pe bilkul mat jana, they are not good quality. Unke andar cement hota hai, it comes off. It's a waste of money actually. So just put in some money and invest in good dumbbells so that they last you for a longer period of time. So that is my second thing that I really like doing, is exercising. I like spending those 30 minutes, 25 minutes on myself. If I have screenshots of those, and I do those exercises myself, like 20 sets ka har exercise I do. So that is also my favorite thing to do these days. Having spoken of those dumbbells, exercising is one activity that I've really enjoyed. Is also my favorite time of the day. Even if I get 20 minutes, I'll work out for 20 minutes. It does not matter ki ek ghanta you have to rigorously work out. It's fine. 20 minutes positive happy thoughts se workout works really fine with me. So those 20 minutes are also very positive for me. Thoda music hota hai, and then you just kind of do some Pilates, you do some crunches, you do some I don't know the technical names, but I watch a lot of home exercises. So moving on to other things. Now let's talk about a perfume. How can my favorites video not have a perfume on my channel? This one, Zara. This is Hypnotic Vanilla. This is Eau de Parfum, and this is by Zara. Now how many times did I tell you guys that Zara Femme is my absolute favorite perfume in the whole wide world, and I just could not find it anywhere. Stores में available नहीं है. एक दिन मुझे website पे available दिखा, but then it was sold out. I could not buy it. I wanted to try out Hypnotic Vanilla. Mainly because it has vanilla in it. I love vanilla scents and smells exactly like Femme. So maybe Zara does this, they change the names, they will change the packaging, they will keep the scent same, and they'll sell it. I feel like, I could be wrong. So I think this is a little refined version of Femme, but smells exactly 99% like Femme, and I'm so happy that finally I got it. It is in a black bottle. I love the bottling of it. I ordered the smaller bottle because I was not very sure of it. It's a 30 ml bottle, and I thought, let me see how it smells. But smells delicious, of course, because it says Hypnotic Vanilla. It is definitely vanilla, a lot of vanilla in it, and it is a very gourmand scent. It's beautiful, and I simply love it. If you like Femme like me, and if you like vanilla scents, this is a perfume that you must try. Like, hands down, I'm going to buy the bigger bottle of this one for sure. Moving on to another perfume that I think I've spoken about so much lately, like 1-2 mahine se I'm only talking about this one. Carolina Herrera Good Girl Blush. This is my most favorite perfume of all times. I cannot tell you how thankful I am to the person who actually introduced me to this one, and this is so good. It smells so elegant, so delicate, so beautiful, feminine at the same time. It is just so amazing. I mean, if you want to smell something divine in perfumes, Carolina Herrera Good Girl Blush. Just remember the light pink bottle, and no prizes for guessing. I already have a backup of this one, so I'm very proud of myself that I actually finished this whole 50 ml in like less than a month. I'm not even kidding you guys, less than a month, or maybe 1.5 months. But yes, I love this perfume so much. Went for the biggest bottle, but I cannot recommend you guys this perfume enough. Like, it is one of the best perfumes I've tried in my life. I'm going to talk about something which has a great fragrance but has different purpose. I'm going to talk about a shower gel and a body lotion. This is by Bath & Body Works. I love Bath & Body Works shower gel, their lotions, their body butters, everything is super amazing. This one I recently got my hands on, and I've used it quite a bit. So this is such an amazing scent, guys. This is in the variant Chasing Fireflies by Bath & Body Works, and it has golden pear, jasmine blooms, illuminated woods. It has vitamin E, shea butter, coconut oil. It smells so good, guys. It smells so nice. It smells so beautiful. I can't even tell you. It's warm, it's coconutty. It's a very comforting kind of a scent. Try this variant out, guys, Chasing Fireflies. It's very good. I'm looking forward to buying more things in this particular, fragrance range by Bath and Body Works. So love it. Talking about sunscreen, so I've never been a fan of sunscreen until now. I've started using sunscreens of late every single day, and one sunscreen जो मुझे लगा कि मैंने use क्यों नहीं किया. A lot of these sunscreens, the brand sent me this. It is this Dermaco 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel, and this one also is an aqua gel. Dono bottling क्यों different I don't know, but these are amazing. Like, it does not break me out. My first concern before using any sunscreen is that will it break me out, because I have a lot of acne issue on my jaw area. I'm very sensitive to skin products, so that's why I take my steps very carefully. And when I first started using it, not only did I like the feel of it on my face, I really liked the fact that not only did it hydrate me, because it also had hyaluronic acid, it also kind of did not leave a cast. It did not make me greasy. Lot of factors, you know. This has SPF 50 PA+++. So Dermaco, I really like it. Now this shirt is going to look like a sponsored, you know, video by Dermaco, but this is not, honestly, I swear. ऊपर का cap पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. Love this lip balm. मतलब, why did I not try this earlier? This is by Dermaco. मुझे details वगैरह कुछ नहीं पता है. Just applied this lip balm. It has my lipstick stain on it because I do apply it even on top of the lipstick. I don't know, it is very thick and it is very moisturizing. Love this lip balm. This lip balm also has SPF in it. It does not have any fragrance, nothing, and it is a very good lip balm. If you have, you know, concern of chapped lips throughout the day, try Dermaco. पता नहीं मैंने क्यों नहीं try किया. It's very good, guys. And then I tried this one. This is Dove. This is Nourishing Lip Care, and I like this one as well. मैंने ये भी recently try किया. इस पे भी मेरा lipstick stain है. But while this one is very thick, like you can feel that it is heavy, this one is very light. You apply it and it's like glides onto your lips, giving a, you know, very thin sheen on the lips, you know, light sheen. While this one looks like if you have applied a heavy duty lip balm. While I love both of these, I think Dermaco will be my #1 favorite at the moment. I really like this lip balm, and definitely I'm going to keep backups of this one. This is so good. You have to try this lip balm out. Moving on to lip products. I love this lipstick. I think this is by Lancome, and this is in the variant Dramatized Nude Drama Matte. This was, I think, in their limited series, limited collection something. The packaging is so cute, guys. It has like, it is a velvety finish with hearts everywhere, and you just have to push it and the bullet comes out. It is such a beautiful brown nude color. This is what I have on my lips at the moment. I've been wearing it non-stop. It is very long lasting. It applies really nicely, and as it says, it is matte. I don't think it is matte. It is semi-matte, demi-matte, whatever you want to call it. And also, I apply a lip balm before applying my lipstick, so it doesn't really matter if it is a matte lipstick. But love the formulation. It glides on really nicely and it sticks to me. Like, lipsticks do not last on my lips. #1, because I speak a lot. #2, because I eat a lot. So this one kind of sustains a little bit. It stays on for a little while longer than the other lips. So love this lipstick a lot. However, if I consider buying it, I should have a lot of money in the bag. It's a very expensive lipstick, but I think I really like it. I mean, I love it. Next up, I got this. This is not really got it. I bought it from Nykaa. This is Colourpop Lippy Sticks, and this is in the shade Topanga Creme. Number is 23J1. Guys, this is so good. Why did I not try this out? Pata nahi where I was living. I was in a cave or something. This is actually like a Fevikwik. It just sticks onto your lips and it's going to stick on and hold on. And it's not going to go anywhere. It is very long lasting. If it lasts on my lips, it's going to last on every single lip in the world. This one slightly washes me out because it has this corally, you know, pink white to it, which is not my jam, but I still like it. One day I was actually contemplating on buying a few shades of this one. फिर पता नहीं क्या हो गया, क्यों नहीं buy किया, but I think I'm going to buy it. I really like the formulation, the color. थोड़ा problem हो गया. I don't think a lot of shades are available. 6-7 shades हैं on Nykaa. If you get your perfect shade, then this could be a perfect lipstick, because honestly, this is such a good formulation. It is only because of how long this lipstick lasts on my lips is why I love this. You know, Lippy Sticks by Colourpop. It is amazing. I think this was for 700 rupees. $7.99 or $6.99. Moving on to mascara. I've tried a lot of Maybelline and I've tried a lot of L'Oreal mascaras. Those are two brands I think I absolutely love in mascaras. but K Beauty's mascara blew my mind away. This is amazing. This is going to give you that volume. It's going to give you that push to the lashes. It's going to give you everything. It is just so good. Look at this wand. It is a thick wand, and this is what I'm wearing on my lid. I wear it every single day, and I'm going to repurchase it for sure. I really like how the formula is. It is super long lasting, of course. It doesn't smudge. It gives you really long lashes and gives you a lot of volume. So I absolutely love this mascara. I love all the products by K Beauty, by the way, but mascara in particular is my favorite. I love this mascara to bits. I cannot believe I forgot these two things. I have to talk about this razor. This is a Venus razor. A lot of you do swear by these razors. I never used razors in general for hair removal, and I'm sorry how gunky and how pathetic it looks right now because I've used it. Will I be buying it? Of course I will. I think iska head ye cheese remove ho jata hai because this is the first time yes, it gets removed, so I can buy a lot of these you know, blades. I think these must be available. मैंने खरीदा नहीं है because I wanted to try out a razor, and I genuinely like using razors now because I know कि everything that you talk about razors कि hair growth ज़्यादा होता है etc is all a gimmick. Sometimes when you are in a hurry, you would want to use a razor, especially in the bikini area, especially in the underarms, I feel like. However, I'm more of an epilator girl. I do use epilators for hair removal because I believe epilators say, you know, you go hairless for a longer period of time than with the razors. But for bikini area, I think razors is a good idea, and this one in particular is really good. I mean, if you've not tried razors like the way I never did, you can go with this one. It's very good, Venus. It's very gentle, it's very smooth, and you will not even feel the roughness, harshness or whatever. It's very good. I am really enjoying using this. Moving on to a nail paint remover. This thing, I love this, guys. Nail paint remove karna is a very irritating task for me. I used to go with that Color Bar ka ek bottle aata tha, but I think this actually is way better than Color Bar's liquid nail removing stuff. So this is a Color Bar on the go nail lacquer remover travel wipes, and this is so good. It is so easy to clean. Any kind of ziddy nail paint will also come off with this one, so that's why I really like it. I've already gone through one of this one, even though I'm not a very nail paint kind of a person, but even then I've gone through, you know, one complete you know, whole pack of this one. So I ordered myself this one again, and I thought it is worth mentioning. I saw Magali talking about it. I know a lot of people do rave about this one a lot, and it is a lot of people's favorites, but I really trust in Magali's suggestions and recommendations, and I thought that this is amazing. So I know that she uses the same, and because of this I started painting my nails more often because I know कि ठीक है, you can easily remove it. I never do nail art or anything of that sort. Simple nail paint लगा लिया, फिर उसको remove कर लिया, तो उसके लिए it is very good. It comes in this very nice handy packaging, so you can carry it in your bag and stuff, so it's very good. Moving on to my last favorite product in this video is a household product. This is my vacuum cleaner, guys. I don't have it here, but I'm going to insert the picture of my beautiful vacuum cleaner. It is sort of bulky for my house, but my god, the suction is amazing. It just sucks every single dust from my house, and it keeps my house absolutely squeaky clean. Best part is that it comes with a plastic container, so when it gets filled up with dirt and everything, you can just empty it, rinse it, dry it and put it back. So it's very convenient. You know, you don't have to use the bags and stuff for the dust. I mean, no dust bag is required, so it is amazing. And the reason I had Black & Decker vacuum cleaner for the longest time just gave up on me. Like, honestly, I overuse my vacuum cleaners. So Black & Decker बहुत अच्छा था, no complaints, but I have kind of upgraded to Philips, and it is so good. It was for around 10,000 rupees, but no, 9,000 rupees, but it is so worth every single penny. It is 1900 watts. Definitely will consume a little bit of electricity, but I think that's the case with all the vacuum cleaners. 1200 to 1900 watts mein, you'll get a vacuum cleaner. But the suction is so powerful that your house, if you have any kind of dust allergy and all, this vacuum cleaner does the job so well. Because I also did a lot of research before buying the vacuum cleaner, and I found this one to be the best in the price range. I think this is the best in budget. For a moderate house, this is the best vacuum cleaner that you can go for. So that is it in this video of mine, guys. Do in the comment section below, if you feel like, please do let me know your favorite items that you've been loving, like 2 3 कितने भी हो सकते हैं. And if you do not have any particular favorite, you can also leave a hi for me. I feel very happy when I get your comments, and I read all the comments, and I will definitely reply to you guys. So, and if you have liked my video, please do not forget to give this video a like, and be subscribed to my channel, because I am coming up with a giveaway very soon, and you know, it is only for my subscribers. I'm a little biased that way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all very much. Genuinely, I love you all very much. Bye guys, I love you.